Chinese tomato and egg stir-fry. This is a classic Chinese dish that can be finished in just 3 minutes. Tomato and egg stir-fry is one of the most popular dishes in China. There are many ways to make it, and the recipes vary across different regions. Restaurant versions and home-style versions are also different. Today we will make the most common home-style version using simple ingredients. It is quick, simple, and easy to follow. First, prepare tomatoes, eggs, green onions, salt and sugar. Cut across on the top of each tomato, not too deep, to make peeling easier. Soak the tomatoes in hot water for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare the other ingredients. Chop the green onions, beat the eggs well. Peel the tomatoes after soaking. If you don't mind the skin, you can skip this step. Cut the tomatoes into chunks. Dice half of a tomato separately. Heat the pan and add some cooking oil. When the oil is hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Let it set, then stir gently. Remove and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, add the tomatoes. Stir fry briefly, add the diced tomatoes. Stir fry again, add salt, add sugar. Add the cooked eggs back into the pan and continue stir-frying. Stir-fry well, the dish is ready. It only takes 3 minutes to cook. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more simple and practical Chinese home cooking.